Hello. Had a big weather change here in Iowa. It went from being in the 80s to being in the 40s and the 30s. Not happy. Makes all my guitars go out of tune. Including this one. The 12-string side is close. You know how it is. It's been cold and for some time. It's all the song they say. It'll rain a sunny day. I know. Shining down my water. I wanna know. I blame it on the weather. Any mistakes I might have made. Thanks, guys.